We're back. He did it. Got a bike. Picked it up for $300. Came with a, yeah, it's not running, but we got 2 engines. I mean, it's pretty. It's like from what he said, it's well worth over $300 just in the parts he put on it. Yeah, I don't really know. You know, it's pretty plain. Need some fenders. There's the spare engine, and then a box of spare parts with like carbs and belts and clutches and looks like pull cords. You know, just miscellaneous stuff. So we're dialed in. It begins. Okay, so we just filled it up with oil. We got a little bit of fuel in there.
Fuel's on. I don't know. Choke's on. I don't even know which one's run on this thing.
Could just check. Whatever. Let's just see that.
Oh. Doesn't seem like there's any compression.
She's punched.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's punched.
There's something going on.
She's done.
Okay. That's.
She's punched.
Oh, I guess we're getting into her. That's.
Whee!
It's getting fuel. It's getting spark. No compression.
She's gonna fire, dude.
I don't think so. Not the way this feels. No.
Dude, she's got smoke. Like she's trying to fire up.
You got blown engine.
She's gonna go. Oh my god, the amount of fuel coming out of the exhaust right now.
What?
There's just fuel pouring out of the exhaust. Or it's
started.
oil or something. Alright, I guess we're doing a teardown.
Well, that's weird. I wonder if there's like a bent valve or something.
Take the head off real quick.
Yeah.
See what's going on.
Whew.
He's got a 160 head we could throw on there real quick.
Oh yeah, that'll make some power.
Yeah.
So we've got our collection here. One of these, this is a genuine Honda 160 block. But the head of it is for right here, and that's a 14cc head. So that's gonna be the stock casting head, which is on here right now, just because when I did my last engine build, that's a 22cc head and that's a 14cc head. So
And then what's on this one right now?
probably a 22.
Okay.
So you're gonna, that's quite the difference just for compression ratio. And then we also have a brand new carbon intake setup that we can use.
Ooh.
But I have a feeling there might be a jet in this. So maybe we'll take the jet out of this.
Yeah, we can crack that open.
Yeah. Take the jet out of that carb and we'll see, and then put it in this carb and then throw that carb with all the fresh gaskets on this unit. Once we get the 160 head on, and we'll,
I've also never taken an engine apart before, so this is an experience that me and Andrew get to cherish.
I get to train. I'm a trainee today. Look at him go.
All-time American.
We're just gonna see kind of damage. Either the rings are gone, or the piston's gone, or maybe a valve's bent, which leaves me ultimately wondering, do we put this engine on in the end of the day?
That one's still got compression.
It's got compression right now. This thing just turns over like a loose Vigier. It just goes.
What did we discover?
So here's the no compression. Whatever he's got stuck in the valve. Oh, some of his homemade gasket.
Oh!
And that means she's burning oil. Hard oil burner.
Okay.
So. Oh yeah.
So that's all it was.
Yeah. But she burns oil. She burns the oil. You might as well put that head on there anyways.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just to say around the spark plug. And this one goes way around. And it's way deeper right up here. There's a big pocket. And this is a big hole.
Okay.
So that's 22 cc and that's 14.
So this one's going to give us higher compression and more power.
You're going to have more compression than mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, that's a good thing.
We're going to find out. This is the original head gasket. This is the steel. So he said these are made of lead, the originals.
And then this is the one that the nitrous.
It's the nitrous burn?
But here's the nitrous block.
Oh.
So that's what nitrous does, ladies and gentlemen.
Wonder, yeah. Interesting.
Right?
Interesting.
Oh, there's a billet flywheel on here.
You didn't know that? It was a race engine at one point.
Yeah, I didn't know. I did have two of them, and I thought I did have two of them. Well, this thing's getting a billet flywheel too.
Fucking A.
So now you're getting 8 degrees advanced timing.
Dude, I'm gonna have a ripper.
Well,
An oil burning ripper.
Once you get the carb, too.
Yeah, yeah. Alright. Alright, so now I just gotta pull that carb off, I guess, and then
Oh, this flywheel is on here?
yeah.
Oh, man.
We're dialed.
Wow.
Alright, just for temporary measures, we just put on this little screamer pipe here. And everything's back together. We need the spark plug wire on.
Yeah, that'll be on to run on.
And then Andrew had a nice custom built muffler system.
Wow. Once upon a time it was nice.
It's better than that little screamer pipe, so we'll give this a shot.
I don't know.
Here we go. It's still really lacking compression.
Yeah, it is.
But she's gonna fire. She's got enough.
None of the kill switches work. But oh, she burns.
Oh, she's burning, all right.
She burns. That's where the compression is.
She's stinky. Got away from you there.
It reminds me of my old engine.
What happened? Just
Oh,
got stuck. Oh, we're trying this again?
Put her over there. She's running.
Oh yeah. We got a ripper.
Once she heats up, she might get some more compression. She was going.
Why do we have 3 kill switches on this?
Because it's fucked. No, this is your headlight, I think.
Oh.
This is a kill switch. I have no idea.
Yeah.
I don't know how he's got it right. Hey, on. Oh. Oh, no, you're right.
It's fuel, man. So you got a new carb on there now. Brand new, never been ran before. We think we're maybe getting overfueled. We don't know. So we are burning oil.
Oh, no.
We're not? Yeah, we're burning oil. It's okay. So new carburetor. We got an air box. Puts a 91 octane in there. Bob's your aunt. Let's go.
I don't know.
Try with the choke on. soon as she loads up.
Yeah, as soon as I get it, yeah, brake clean pad.
Oh. She's on fire.
See, that makes me believe the timing's out.
Did she just pop like that? Yeah.
Fire out the intake.
LS George. Alright, I guess we're checking the timing. Alright, possibly more disappointment on your way. Change the fly. What would you change? We checked the timing.
Check the timing key. It was intact.
And then we
changed the spark, make it happen. The sparkulator.
The sparkulator, the coil. And I guess if this don't work, we're either so low in compression that she's just not going to work, or there's potential that he has an aftermarket cam in there and he didn't time it properly.
Yeah.
So here we go again. Just won't.
It wants to make power, but nope.
We've been defeated.
We've been trying.
Looks like we need a new engine.
Yeah, the engine's defeated.
Yeah, well, we've tried everything, I think.
We gave it its best chance.
Yeah, we tried. We tried hard. Brand new carbs, new head, coil.
Like a new thin head gasket, high compression head, new coil, new spark plug wire, new carburetor, brand new fuel, new exhaust, which doesn't really matter. Check to make sure that the timing key and the flywheel was on right, gapped the coil properly, did the valve lash properly, gapped the spark plug, checked it, it was good. Like,
We went to town. We did a lot. All right, well, that's it for this video. We'll have her going
hopefully
shortly.
less defeat in the future.
Yeah.